Okay, so let's have problem 32-10. Again, this is impairment of a CGU. So, where's the problem? Ay, eto. Okay. Wait lang, download ko muna. Kalimutan ko pala i-download to make it para mas makapag-zoom in tayo. Ayan, okay. So, let's zoom in. Okay. Yan. So, tipa. Okay, so eto yung CGU with inventory, AR, plant and equipment, patent, and goodwill. And then, ang fair value daw is 4,050,000. Okay, so let's have it. Let's compute the carrying amount of the CGU. So, we'll add inventory, plant and equipment, patent, and goodwill as given in the problem. So, ang carrying value ng CGU is 4,550,000 versus the recoverable amount of 4,050,000. So, meron tayong impairment loss na 500. Now, the impairment loss of 500,000 will be absorbed first by goodwill, so 100,000. So, ang i-absorb ng ibang assets is 400,000. So, ang allocation, again, hindi kasama yung inventory, no? But let's take note na ang maximum impairment sa patent ay 100,000 lang, no? Kasi according to our problem here, ang patent has a fair value less cost to sell of 750,000. So, hindi pwedeng bumaba sa 750 yung carrying value ng patent after the impairment. So, let's allocate. Patent, 400,000 times 850 over 850 plus 3,400. Saan pala galing yung 850 plus 3,400? Let's have it here. Here. Ay. Ayan. Okay. So, ang maghahati-hati lang po kasi is patent, 850, tapos plant and equipment na 3,004,000, no? 6 million less 2,006,000. Hindi nga kasama yung inventory tsaka yung AR, no? Kasi po yung AR ay financial asset, no? So, yan po ay, kumbaga, pag sinama mo yan, magdo-double counting kasi, no? May value in use ka na, nandun na siya, tapos sinama mo pa dun sa asset nung CGU, halos cash na nga rin yung AR. So, hindi po siya kasali. So, maghahati lang talaga patent and plant and equipment. So, 850 plus 3,004,000. No? Sila lang dalawa. Where's my slideshow? Okay. So, patent, 400,000 times 850 over 850 plus 3,004,000. Kaya plant and equipment, 400 times 3,004,000 over 3,400,000 plus 850. No? So, 320. So, ang ating journal entry, I think wala namang kaso, no? Kasi, upon, yes, ang napa-allocate lang sa patent is 80. Maximum naman is 100. So, pwede siyang, pwede nating i-push through itong allocation na to. Okay. Sorry, medyo nalutang. Anyway, let's have the journal entry. So, debit impairment loss, 500,000. Credit goodwill, 100,000. Credit accumulated amortization patent, 80,000. And credit accumulated depreciation, plant and equipment, 320,000.